Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to solve one more problem on tree data structure. So the problem statement is invert binary tree. That means we have to invert the given binary tree and return its root. The same question can also be framed as find the mirror image of the given binary tree. Okay, so this is the given example. Here the tree is given in the input, this one, and we have to find its mirror image or inversion in the output. It is our desired output, right? So as we clearly see in the example that whatever is in the left in the input is become the right in the output, and whatever is in the right in input is become the left in output, right? So what exactly we have to do? We have to swap the left subtree in the input with the right subtree to the output, right? So we have to swap the left subtree to the right subtree and the right subtree to the left subtree. Okay, so let's dive to the problem solution. Like previous videos, in this video I am going to share the implementation in both the languages, Java as well as Python, but in this video I'll start with the Python first, then dive into the Java section, right? So this will be a recursive implementation as always. In the previous video I have told you that in every recursive implementation of the binary tree program we have to check whether its root node is null or not. If it is null, then return nothing, we can't do anything. If it is not null, then perform our task. And in this question, what is the task? The task is to swap the left subtree and the right subtrees. Okay, so first check if root is, and remember one thing, in Python there is nothing like null. Instead of null we have none, right? So if the root is not none, then perform the task. What is the task? Swap the left subtree with the right subtree. And in Python the swapping is done by one liner, that is root but left comma root dot right is equals to self right and self dot invert trees root dot left. Right, and this is it, and at the end we have to return the root. So let's run this code. Yeah, it is accepted, right? And let's submit this code. Yes, it is submitted successfully with the accuracy of 95%, and it is faster than the 95% solution in Python. Okay, so the code is this, the whole code is this. In this, what we are doing, we are checking whether the root is none or not. If it is not none, then perform swapping, and at the end return the root node. In swapping, we are swapping the left subtree, this one, to the right subtree, this one, and right subtree to the left subtree, right? Yes, this one. So I hope you all understand the Python implementation. So it's time to jump to the Java section. Let me choose the Java, right? So here we go. We have to complete this function, the same problem statement, find the mirror image or the inversion of the binary tree. Okay, so first basic check, that is we have to check whether the root is none or not. If root is not equals to null, then we have to perform the operations. What are they? We have to perform the swapping, right? imagine the problem statement would be swap two integer values, right? So what are the possible solutions? Out of all the possible solutions, the one solution is using the third temporary variable, and the third temporary variable is always of the same data type of which the rest two were, right? So the data type is tree node in this. So creating the temporary variable of tree node data type, tree node temp, and assigning it the value of left subtree, that is root dot left, right? Now what we can do, root, okay, wait, yes, and root dot left is equals to invert tree root dot right, and root dot right is equals to invert tree temp. Okay, so that's it. Now close this and return the root node. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, it is accepted. Okay, so submit it. See, our solution is submitted and it is faster than 100% Java solutions of the inverted binary tree. Okay, so let me show you the implementation. This is the whole implementation. Okay, here we are checking whether the root is null or not. If it is not null, then perform this swapping and then return the root node. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, then do not forget to like, comment, share. Thank you.